Good day. Could you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Catherine Fermaler from Philippines. I'm 37 years old. I have three kids. I'm a graduated high school.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn more money and to help my family.
Who will take care of your
My
children?
husband.
If you had homesick, what would you do?
I call my family and my children.
Could you tell me about your working experience?
I work here in Philippines to care babies and to clean the house.
Okay, what is your main duty?
To care her babies.
What if the baby couldn't stop crying?
I take her to drink her milk.
What if children were naughty and wouldn't listen to you?
I tell her mom.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Yes.
What kind of food can you cook?
Filipino foods.
If your employer asks you to learn how to cook Chinese food, do you have any idea where you should start with? Are you able to follow recipes?
Yes, I follow.
Do you accept not to have Sunday off and will alternate your day off in weekdays?
Yes.
Do you accept work overtime on your day off but will paid by your employer?
Yes.
Do you accept to work with other coworkers?
Yes.
Do you accept to share room with other family members or other workers?
Yes.
Do you accept to have curfew at 9 p.m. on your day off?
Yes.
Do you accept not to use your cell phone during the working hours?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any message you want to send to your future employer?
They're my future employer. I'm hardworking person and I will follow the rules and regulations in your our house. And thank you.
Okay, thank you.